This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming legal eligibility and safety basics. You must check permits, background checks, and age rules. Once confirmed, register or document ownership as required. You also need certified training. Sign up for an instructor-led course to learn core principles. Make sure to plan secure storage, a locked safe, cable or trigger lock, and separate ammo storage. These prerequisites prevent legal trouble and reduce risk. Once in place, you'll be ready to pursue hands-on instruction under supervision. Once prerequisites are met, proceed with supervised, instructor-led practice. You should only do hands-on handling in a certified setting with a qualified trainer guiding you. That ensures safe progression and accountability. Make sure to focus on dry handling and safety drills initially, and then learn authorized range procedures and transport laws. You'll also cover maintenance fundamentals and when to defer to a gunsmith. This controlled environment teaches why each safety rule exists, and finish by validating your training and maintaining compliance. Keep certificates, follow storage and transport rules, and renew training periodically. If you encounter uncertainty or any mechanical concern, stop immediately and seek a certified gunsmith or a range officer. Do not attempt risky repairs yourself. Make sure you know emergency steps. Secure the area, call authorities if required, and document the incident. This final phase ensures responsible ownership and provides a clear path for troubleshooting through professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.